Young Filipinos are jumping on the crypto bandwagon, but is it easy come, easy go? 27-year-old John Luke Monty started trading cryptocurrencies in the Philippines 4 years ago. Today, he makes enough cash from his trades to support his small family.
In our house, approximately 90% that you see here is from my crypto profit. Yung small sa akin, I started 500 pesos, 1,000 pesos. Para kung matalo man yung mga trades ko, hindi ganun kalaki. Sobrang liit lang. Now, I'm currently trading at around $200 to $300 per trade. So that's around 10,000, 15,000 per trade.
For many, like Luke, the rise in Bitcoin prices is fueling interest in cryptocurrencies in the Philippines. The value of crypto transactions in the Philippines increased 70% within the last quarter of 2023.
A lot of these nations in Southeast Asia and South Asia in particular, which are large, populous, young, and tech-forward, these have become major hubs for crypto adoption. Philippines, it's a 110 million population, relatively young demographic. Also, one of those places where almost everyone has a phone and an internet connection, but not necessarily a bank account.
Some 40% of the country's population are considered unbanked. Part of this space has been taken by cryptocurrencies, which have sprung up as an alternative financial system, especially in rural areas. There's also growing interest in crypto as an investment. In a recent MoneyMind survey, crypto was the second most popular investment choice after equities for Filipino Gen Zs. Out of the 5 countries surveyed, enthusiasm for crypto was highest in the Philippines.
Philippines has 3 use cases at scale. Regular buying and selling and trading, which happens in many other markets. But you also have blockchain-based remittances because Philippines is a very important inbound remittance point from many different corridors around the world. And then in the last cycle, we saw the emergence of Web3 gaming, of which Philippines really has become the center point of.
Crypto video gaming took off in the Philippines during the pandemic. One game in particular caught the nation's attention, Axie Infinity.
At one point, it almost had 800,000 daily active users. But what was different was that these users, mostly Filipinos, but really worldwide, were earning the native token of the game by playing the game. And then on the ground, many merchants and businesses were starting to accept this crypto asset as a form of payment, and then they were sort of liquidating it.
I would say from an evolution perspective, one of the major milestones in the Philippines was way back 2021 when the Axie Infinity craze came to the picture. It's a non-fungible token. Doon nagkaroon ng pickup ang crypto because NFT is a form of cryptocurrency.
Away from the crypto world, the pandemic was also a turning point for Luke. Back then, he was a chef in Dubai.
So, knowing na Dubai is a tourist country, talagang na-hit kami. No? I think almost lahat naman kahit anong field of work na hit.
Out of work, and with time on his hands, Luke started delving into cryptocurrencies.
Mag-iisip ka ng mga ways to, grow your money besides dun sa initial work mo or your 9-to-5 job mo. Bitcoin was used to hedge nung panahon na yun, to hedge inflation nung panahon ng pandemic, and the dollar value was really down, kaya maraming lumipat ng cryptocurrency. Tapos 24/7 ang market, no holidays, very liquid, high volume. So why not give it a go? Yun yung start.
Along the way, Luke met his current mentor, Coach Miranda Miner.
This is one of the things that I bought in cash from cryptocurrency trading. This reminds me that there's something that you can buy if you really have good behaviors in trading. In fact, ako yung unang-unang pipitik sa'yo pag may nagsabi sa'yo dyan na yayaman ka sa trading, hindi. It's not the reality. It takes many years of training to be able to at least become profitable. First year break even, baka talo ka pa nga eh. Second year, baka doon ka na magkaroon ng break even.
Having dealt with his fair share of losses, Luke now helps Coach Miranda teach others about the ups and downs of crypto trading.
Marami kaming students in our university na nagme-message, nagchat-chat, na umiiyak actually, no, na buong life savings nila nalusaw, isa silang OFW, sobrang laki na natalo nila when they're started trading kaagad na. So if you're not ready or if you're not familiar with those risks, masusunog at masusunog ka.
Besides the risk of wild swings in the crypto markets, investors should also be wary of potential scams.
Always keep your account safe, whether it's a custodial account or it's your own self-hosted wallet. I think there's other aspects like there are like outright scams and frauds that do operate in many markets, including in the Philippines, that you should just always transact with companies and individuals that you know and trust, and don't try to invest in something that might be hot, but you don't know if it's by a trusted actor. You might send your funds and you just might never see anything in return.